persons are only tabernacles or temples, and truth is the God that dwells in them. So when we say God is truth, in an abstract sense, that's a literal thing. The God that we worship is truth. We worship God the Father and Jesus Christ because they have a fullness of that truth, and they are a source of a fullness of that truth. If God the Father ceased to be good, ceased to be light, ceased to be a source of truth, we would not worship him. He would no longer be God. But he's not God because of some so-called spiritual phenomena. He's not God because of a homoousios substance that makes him up. He's God because he's an exalted man who's acquired the fullness of light and truth. And we can look to him as our great and divine patriarch of the human family, as a source, an example, a beacon of truth. And that is why God the Father can be God. That's why God the Son can be God. Yes, they're different individuals, but they all have a fullness of truth, which is God in the abstract, in principle. And this is how we started our episode, right? As Latter-day Saints, we seek truth, because truth is our God. Light. We seek true light and truth, and we worship the Father and the Son because they are sources of that light and truth to us.
It's always a good episode when Orson Pratt makes an appearance.
Wasn't he the modern, they call him the modern Apostle Paul?
I think that's right.
It was either him or Parley. Hang on, I gotta look this up.
I'll have to double check.
That was Parley.
Oh,
I knew it was one of the Pratts.
His brother.
Orson's good too, though. Orson was the scientist.
Yeah, he was way more into logic and reasoning.
Okay, moving on. Got a few more slides here to finish up this lesson today. So he that is ordained of God and sent forth, the same is appointed to be the greatest. That sounds good. Notwithstanding, he's the least. Oh. And the servant of all. The gospel's a roller coaster, isn't it?
It keeps you on your toes, bro. You can't sit down.
See, because it's playing on that natural man wanting to be the greatest. And it's like, the gospel will make you the greatest. And you're like, yes, I want that. Then it's like, however, to be the greatest, you cannot want to be the greatest. And you're like,
how does that make sense?
I don't get it. Service. So he that is ordained of God, called into service. And that makes him the possessor of all things. For all things are subject unto him in heaven and on earth. Like, okay, subject to me. There it is. Okay, that's appealing again. But being subject to you means you have the stewardship of serving it. Serving all things. Okay, this is the doctrine of the priesthood. It's to slap you on the face and say, get over yourself. No man is possessor of all things except he be purified and cleansed from all sin. I mean, we're in jest a little bit here. We're joking around, but the doctrine of the priesthood is that of sanctification of the man, of the woman, of the individual, and that's the great irony, you could say, right? Is that he who is the greatest is the least, right? That's the great example of Christ.
Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.